Hey loves, Stima here as always. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please tap the red subscribe button on your interface before you leave. Also tap the bell icon next to it so you can be notified on my future uploads. Today we are going to be making a leave-in spray that can be used to stop premature growing, to thicken hair, to stop hair loss, and also to target bald spots, crown section issues. If this looks like what you're interested in, please keep on watching and I'll be right back. You're welcome back, guys. Please excuse my voice. I have cough and I'm so sorry. My voice may be sounding off. So sorry about that. So we are going to be using Calendula flower. In my other video, I used it. Most of you were curious to know about this flower, but I will leave you to go do your research on this. It's better that way than me telling you what this can do to your hair. So I will grab a beaker and measure out a tablespoon of the Calendula flower into the beaker. And then my next ingredient is going to be nettle. I'm going to be using nettle leaves. This is what nettle leaves looks like. The link to the website where I got all this from would be in the description box below. Please do well to check that out. This is what it looks like. Again, I will leave you to do your research. I think it's better that way. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of that. And I'll be pouring 250 ml worth of hot water into the beaker containing the ingredients. Next, stir to combine. If you're trying to regrow your hair that you've lost or would simply like to improve the hair that you have, try this natural remedy and you run back to this channel to say thank you. After stirring, I covered with a foil paper to steep for 8 to 12 hours. I actually steeped this for 12 hours because I needed to get all its full benefits. So I will set it aside on a surface like so. Then this is after 8 hours and we are going to be seeing what is inside. Guys, this is what we have after steeping for 12 whole hours. 12 good hours. This is what we have, and you can tell that the liquid is darker than it was. I'll go ahead and strain this to get my hairspray. Do not forget that you can use this as the final rinse on your wash day, but the method that I'm going to be showing you how to use it is definitely the best. It's best used as a leave-in. So this is what the chaff looks like. I'm going to be discarding that and then we are going to be making use of this. As always, we are going to be transferring that into a spray bottle. Here is my spray bottle and I'm going to be using my funnel to transfer all of that. These two ingredients plays a pivotal role in treating and preventing baldness. They effectively increase blood circulation in the scalp and hair follicles, which in turn enriches the roots by bringing in more nutrients through the blood supply and promotes hair growth. So this is what I have in my spray bottle and I will go ahead and show you how this can be used. Please ignore my goofiness here. I love to sing, I love to dance to gospel music, like it elevates my spirit, like it uplifts my spirit. I love to sing and dance. I love to praise God a lot. And I would love you guys to know me for this. I'll be using this spray to saturate my cornrows. I've been wearing these cornrows for 2 weeks now. You already know that I love to wear cornrows as my protective style. I didn't show this part in this video, but I'm going to tell you what happened. After saturating my hair with this spray, I went ahead and coated my cornrows with my lightweight leave-in conditioner. And after that, I went ahead and sealed in the moisture with my hair oil. I didn't want this video to be lengthy, which is why I didn't show that. So you can go ahead and do same. This treatment is to be used 2 to 3 times a week for maximum results. If you love to wear cornrows like me, please always ensure you hydrate that. Always ensure you use moisturizing products at least 2 to 3 times a week. This will help minimize shedding and breakage, so that when you're taking down the cornrows, you won't shed tears. I just wish I could let you guys listen to the music that I'm dancing to, but the YouTube policy won't let me. If you're a Christian watching, you can read Daniel chapter 6 from verse 1 to the end. That is exactly what this song is all about. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.